Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Black Desert on PC or laptop. So to install Black Desert on your PC or laptop, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device. So open up a browser, type in steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page. And right on this page, go ahead and press on install Steam. When you've done that, it's going to take you to the page where you have to go ahead and select the device that you're installing on. Then you need to run the installation. It's very simple. All you have to do is just follow the prompt and you will have successfully installed Steam on your device. When you're done installing Steam, go ahead and create your account and log in. When logged in, you need to go to the store section from the home page, and here on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. That is Black Desert. So when you look at the game, you just need to go ahead and purchase it and continue to the payment section, all that. And when you're done completely purchasing the game, you have to download and register for the account. So in that way, you could go ahead and download and play Black Desert on PC or laptop. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.